Hey guys, today I'm doing a review about this automatic sniper rifle. So this is where the bullets go in here. It holds up to 10 bullets. Let me just put them in real quick. This is my brother's gun. I play with it a lot, and this is not, I didn't get this new. We got this last Christmas, and you see, there's the name there. We really like this gun, we play with it a lot. You see, there's the button where you press to shoot. It's electric. It's electric, so it doesn't shoot by itself. It needs to have electric to shoot. And if you want to take out this, if you want to take out this, there's a button here. Close up, there. You got to really squeeze it out. I can't show you, but there's the hold where you put the bullets in. Let's put that back in. This broke off, but we put it back on, but I can't adjust it because we super glued it back on. But it looks pretty cool. You see, you could aim. So through that hole there is where you target. You put your eye in there like this. And it's a pretty cool gun. I'm getting this for my birthday, but just in a different color. And that's where you shoot here. Now, this hold is really big, and it comes in a small box. I remember when we got this on Christmas, it came in a small box. So you have to like assemble it. There's the pieces there. I can't take it off now because I put it on. It's a pretty cool gun. I like the blue on there. I like the black on there. Kind of looks like the Bushmaster. And you could open this here. I don't know what that's for, but anyways. The bullets, I don't know what caliber this is, but it has an orange tip there, and it's big Nerf bullets, and it holds up to 10 bullets. It holds a lot of bullets, and there's a thing there. So right now it's off, but when you put it like that, it's halfway, then that's full. Okay, so it's time for the shooting test you've all been waiting for. Let's go. So we're going to be doing the shooting test. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, you should smash that subscribe button. See you in the next video.